Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be looking at Internet Computer ICP, which has a market cap of $1.26 billion. ICP currently trades around $2.29. ICP has been going through accumulation. We have been holding that $2 support level. Look at ICP's performance against the US dollar. What's the updates on the chart? ICP's performance against Bitcoin, ICP's performance against Ethereum, and finally, we look at ICP's market cap. Right now, you see extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of ICP? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you want to become a legend, if you want to become a member, don't forget link in the description. Let's get down to business. A lot of altcoins gave back the gains they have made over the last 1 month. ICP is now down 9.5%, but on a weekly time frame, ICP has gained 3% of its value. Currently trading around $2.29. ICP has total supply of around 550 million coins. Those 550 million coins are in circulation. Look at ICP's performance against the US dollar. We have come to new lows. We have been trading at those new lows over the last few weeks. And smart players have been buying, accumulating, getting ready for the next big move to the upside. At new lows, guys, that's where smart players buy. So when we see us pumping to higher prices, market participants wonder who was buying at the lows. Those were the smart players. Those were the big money. We saw similar price action in September of 2023. ICP was at an all-time low. It felt like it would continue dumping to Goblin Town. But when the pump came, even though that pump was not crazy, even though that pump was not outrageous, we saw ICP pumping up by more than 624%. How high can ICP go if we see a rally? I always expect ICP to pump more than 628%. We talked about the key levels in the previous video, where to watch out for ICP. But I still believe the major level that we might face major resistance is going to come in around the $14 level. For ICP to face major resistance there, we need to see ICP pump by more than 565% to the upside. Can we go higher than that? There's always that possibility. Can ICP get to as high as $88? There's always that possibility. The altcoin market being one of the most volatile markets in the world, you have to open your imagination. You have to think big. When we're dumping, a lot of market participants can imagine it going to zero. A lot of market participants can imagine it continue dumping to Goblin Town. But the hard part is when we start pumping, how high can we probably go to the moon? Right now at the $2.29 level, remember, all coins are very volatile. Volatility works in both ways. We have seen ICP dump by more than 99% from its all-time highs. I believe the counter trend rally is going to be aggressive to the upside. The counter trend rally could easily see ICP go up 3,700%. But right now, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. We have been stuck in extreme fear for more than the last 1 month. If you go over the last 3 months, you see that the whole cryptocurrency market has spent majority of the time in 2026 stuck in extreme fear. But that's good news if you're a long-term holder. That's good news if you're still accumulating ICP, getting ready for that big pump to the upside that will come at some point in time in 2026. The best time to always buy is when there's high level of pessimism in the cryptocurrency market, when there's extreme fear grip in the cryptocurrency market. Historically, that has been a good time to buy. ICP is still down 55% from where it was trading just this time last year. We expect ICP to have a big bounce. I would expect that bounce to come at some point in time in 2026. If you look at ICP's RSI, and we have not gone as low as we have gone in the past. I can argue that this is a bullish divergence. And when we went to the lows in September of 2023, ICP's RSI was down around the 31 level. Right now, we've dropped to new lows in US dollar price times, but ICP's RSI sits at 39. So I'll not be shocked to see ICP giving us one correct move to the upside when the smart players are done accumulating. First major resistance coming at $44. The next resistance coming in around the $88 level. If we get there, I'm sure a lot of smart players would have been selling for some sweet profit. A 3,000% pump to the upside. will actually be something to write home about. And all things being equal, the pump gets very, very aggressive, things go very, very wild. Don't be shocked to see ICP maybe even making an attempt towards the $500 level. Way more crazier things have happened in the cryptocurrency market. You never want to say never. Just remember, all things are possible. If you look at ICP's performance against Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, ICP also looks like it's gearing up for one big move to the upside against Ethereum. It's been dumping to Goblin Town against Ethereum. Finally found the bottom in October of 2025. Since October of 2025, I've seen ICP. Even though it has not gone parabolic, we have seen it outperform Ethereum by more than 112%. The next few days, we're going to see sentiment improve in the cryptocurrency market. And when that sentiment improves, you see market participants running back to the altcoin market. Because when market participants are scared, they run away from the altcoin market, flipping their altcoins back into Bitcoin, back into Ethereum. And if they start flipping their Ethereum back into ICP, I expect to see ICP outperform Ethereum by at least more than 450%. We look at ICP's performance against Bitcoin, similar price action. We're expecting ICP to outperform Bitcoin in the nearest future. ICP has been down only against Bitcoin over the last few years, losing more than 99% of its value in the process. So don't be shocked to see ICP giving us a counter trend rally where it pumps, maybe even as high as 1,000% over the next few days and the next few weeks. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The lower we go, the safer it becomes. But a lot of market participants think about it the other way. They think the lower we go, the safer it becomes. They think the lower we go, the riskier it becomes, and the higher we go, the safer it becomes. So you have to retune your mind. You have to understand that buying low will help you to sell high. If you buy high, the market will find a way to force you to capitulate at lower prices. Extreme fear has always been a good time to buy. I don't think this time is different. Now, if you look at the ICP's market cap, it has not dropped to new all-time lows, just like the US dollar price chart for ICP's market cap. The all-time low sits around $946, but right now the market cap sits around the $1.2 billion level. So is that possibility the ICP can still have one more leg down? There's always that possibility that we'll see ICP go from where it's currently trading right now, down to Goblin down by around 25%. But then, what will that mean for the US dollar price chart? If we dump 25% from where we're currently trading, remember, nothing is set in stone in the cryptocurrency market. It means we'll see ICP go to as low as around 1.5 or $1.6. I'll not be shocked to see ICP go there, but I'm sure that smart players will be accumulating heavily if ICP touch that $1.6, $1.7 level. On the market cap chart, where to look out for the $4 billion level, the $3.9 billion to the $4 billion level is an important place to watch out for. We may see ICP having we can see ICP having major resistance there on our way to higher prices. Another important place to watch out for is going to be around the $7.4 billion level from where we're currently trading right now. ICP need to pump up by more than 500% to the upside for us to get to that $7 billion level. How high was the all-time highs for ICP's market cap against the US dollar? I've seen the market cap of ICP in its prime get to as high $61 billion. Can ICP ever get there? Maybe, maybe not. But for ICP to get there at some point in time in the future, because we need to pump up by around 5,000%. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still accumulating some ICP tokens right now? Are you still optimistic that we'll see higher prices in the coming days and coming weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.